Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to resolve, patch, or update problems where a new Windows update breaks a server role or service. Step-by-step guide. Fixing Windows. Update breaking server roles for file and print services. Step 1. Identify the problem and affected services. Ask users or check monitoring tools for symptoms, like shared folders not accessible or printers not working. Use Event Viewer. Open Event Viewer. Check system and application logs for warnings and errors related to services like LanmanServer and Spooler. Confirm the timing of the issue matches with a recent Windows update. Step 2. Check installed updates. Open Settings, Windows Update, Update History. On Server OS, run wmic QFE list, brief format table, or Get-HotFix in PowerShell to list updates. Take note of recently installed KB numbers. Step 3. Research the update. Search Microsoft's official site or forums with the KB number plus symptoms. Example: KB5005565 print Spooler issue. Look for known issues, hot fixes, or rollback instructions. Step 4. Roll back the problematic update. Only proceed if the update is confirmed as the cause. Option A, via Control Panel. Go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. View installed updates. Select the update, for example KBXX, then click Uninstall. Option B, PowerShell. WUSA/uninstall per KB 5005565/quiet/norrestart. Option C, Safe Mode if normal login fails. Boot into Safe Mode with networking. Follow the uninstall steps via Control Panel or PowerShell. Step 5. Pause further updates temporarily. Go to Windows Update. Pause updates for 7 days or longer via Group Policy or WSUS. Prevent automatic reinstallation of the bad patch. Step 6. Test the affected services. Restart affected services. Restart service. Name Spooler. Restart service. Name LanmanServer. Try accessing shared folders or printers. Confirm the issue is resolved. Sometimes, Microsoft provides registry tweaks, new updates, or hot fixes. Example: for print Spooler issues, they may recommend changing group policy settings. Get-HotFix. Computer configuration, administrative templates. Printers monitor for re-released or patched updates via Microsoft Security Advisory, Windows Release Health Dashboard. Re-enable updates via Resume Service, Name wowserv. Note KB number, affected role service, symptoms, rollback fix steps taken. Save for future patch cycles and troubleshooting. If this is a recurring issue, use WSUS to test updates before deployment. Set group policy to delay feature updates by 730 days. Get-HotFix, computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows Update, defer updates. Let me know if you need a sample rollback script or group policy template for controlling updates.